Hi, this is Matt from Power Eagle Cleaning Systems, and right now we're demonstrating the optional accessory, our popular sandblast kit. This is a wet sandblast kit, so it's utilized with your existing pressure washer, and instead of air, it uses the water to draw the sand from your sand source down, and it injects it into the mixing head, which is at the very end of the kit. Right now we're demonstrating on an old rusty fuel tank, but it's got a mix of rusty surfaces, but it also has well-adhered paint. And as you can see, the sandblast kit does a great job removing the rusty surface as well as the well-adhered paint right down to the bare metal. So it's going to be great for paint prep and whatever kind of fabricating or surface finishing you might be doing. The sandblast kit is hooked up right now to a 3000 psi pressure washer, which produces 4 gallons per minute. The sandblast kit is most effective with at least 4 gallons per minute, so you'll want 4 to 5 or even more gallon per minute flow to really drive this sand material into the surface and produce good results. Our sandblast kit comes complete, so in other words, you simply connect the gun into your existing hose. The gun of the sandblast kit is attached to a 24-inch wand, and at the end of the wand is the sand mixing head. It does have an adjustable feed rate on it, so you'll be able to monitor and adjust the amount of sand feed that you're utilizing with the system. And as you can see right now, the sandblast process is fairly quick, even right down to the removal of that rust, right down to the bare metal surface. And especially in this area right here where there's a heavy rust, it just flakes that right off and makes the process go pretty quickly and easily. It's ideal for smaller prep areas, surfaces like fuel tanks or wheels, spot processes on chassis, and preparation for paint or fabrication. It's good for too. So pick up a sandblast kit today. It's a great accessory, and it's one that we know that you'll find very useful.